You guys, what up, me, Patrick Levar. So quickly here, I want to share all my test footage that I've been doing the last couple of weeks using the Motioncam app. Again, if you're new to this and you don't know what the Motioncam app, it's an app that allows you to do raw DNG files, basically raw video on our cell phone devices, and it's fantastic. So I did a lot of shots. I've been a lot of testing. So some of these shots are graded, some of these shots are not. Some are anamorphic, some are in auto exposure. So I was just basically testing, and still am pretty much. But here's a compilation of all of my shots that I've kind of shot over the last couple of weeks. All right, guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed that. Again, if you're new to this, you're not sure what's going on, you can take a look at this other video that I have basically when I found the app for the first time, and the raw video, and I kind of go through the workflow as far as exporting these off your phone, putting them in DaVinci Resolve, and then having free choice, do color grading and all that stuff. Again, the power of DNG RAW is basically just unfiltered photos coming off your phone, and then we put them in the DaVinci Resolve, make a sequence, and turn them into video. That's what video basically is. It's just images, sequences, right? But these are uncompressed, untainted, pure imagery coming off our devices. So hope you guys enjoy. Patrick Levar. Smash that like button. Again, take a look at this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm actually I'm going to be out again doing some more testing with this. I'm going to shoot like kind of like a B-roll sequence, and I'm looking forward to it. So we'll see you guys soon. Peace. Keep filming.